Everyone doesn't know about the PR, which is a permanent residency under the partner visa subclass 820, and it comes with the 800 straight away when you apply. Today, what I want to send you something about. We all want to have a PR. I got that. Okay, but partner visa is most people think about only two way. One, get married. The other one, been live together 12 months. You have to come up with like all the bill, like the what joint bank account. Look, let's face it, even Australian people, just ask the people you know, like go to your neighbor or people you know. You know how many people actually even married people actually does have a joint account? It's pretty much none. Let's be honest. Okay. And the interesting part is without even marriage certificate, without even living together like 12 months, we still can get it through. How? Here's the answer. Have you heard about the certificate of the marriage? I put all the details in here. Have a read about it. They count about the normally four elements. That's the key. One is a genuine relationship. Is it really genuine or not? The other one is a commitment. And what is the evidence of the relationship and health and character? Something. How great about your relationship. So it's depending on the point of view is mainly about everything is full of bullshit. I don't trust. I don't believe any of them. Okay, simply. And then you prove me something based on those, the four elements actually fitting into. Without those four elements, that you show me something, I'm probably just about to actually reject the application. That's the point of view. It's actually, it's quite makes sense if you look at about the annual quota, like each year, Australia population about 22 million. We only allowed, there is a quota saying about about 110,000 per year. That's the PR number to get approved. Anything exceed those number, it's going to be passed on to next year. But if you look at about the family stream, number has been decreased. It's also related about the family visa application fee, like subclass 820. If you look at them closely, like it used to be about 3,000. Even before 3,000 it was 1,000 something, 1,700, 1,800. Turned to about 3,300. Now what? 8,000 plus, 8,000, 9,000, 7,000 something. Think about it, where they came from. A lot of the couple comes with the fraudulence. The relationship is not genuine, but coming back to the bottom line, look, there is a way. You don't have to get married. What a great. You don't have to wait for the 12 months, okay? Let's say you're falling in love even just like 1 month. It's still okay. All you have to do, make sure you provide what you provide is correct, Make sure that you fill up those four, the element. Look, whether it's true or not is one thing, but even your relationship is so true, so beautiful. Look, unless you actually prove, that you wouldn't be able to. It's the other way around. Let's say your relationships are very fickle, might be not the true as that it is, and it shouldn't be. But however, if you can demonstrate well, then in the end, the visa will get approved. You have to think about the case officer. What they just concern most about is what you actually provide, Without the demonstration, your visa will be very unlikely. But if you just well present it, very much likely. That's what it is. Oops.